and welcome to my channel. Today is the easily one of the most favorite days of my life ever. So I have received this packaging from Agio Lux. Of course, I ordered a bag from them. So this is me unboxing. Let's get started. Unlike how you buy from a store, it actually came in this beautiful big box, the black box, and then the bag was itself wrapped with some nice paper. This is what the box look. Then this is the dust bag. The dust bag was folded inside. I have opened this and put the bag inside just to make it feel like I'm unboxing it today. And then it has that subtle branding. It is a white satin dust bag, which is very beautiful. I really like that. So this is how the bag looks. This is in the shade vanilla and the name of this bag is called Voyager. It also comes in another color, but they also have different variants in Voyager with different sort of materials. This is like a canvas material. The cream and the brown combination is so attractive. It looks so classy. It is very hard combination to find as well. As you can see, the gold detailing and the leather detailing is so attractive and so beautiful. I really loved this. On the side they also have these leather straps, which are I don't know, I think this is for a look. I'm not really sure if that can be adjusted, but the handle itself is adjustable, and they also have this buttons at the bottom, which is very good because if you're keeping the bag down, it won't make the bag dirty. And obviously I don't think I'll keep it down. And the strap, the handle is very nice and it's very sturdy as well. It is adjustable. I will show it to you now. So let's see the space inside. It has 3 compartments and obviously there's a lot of space inside. You can keep a lot of things. While traveling it would be more useful. In between there's a zipper. You can keep all of your essentials, and at the back there is one small zipper where you can keep something that is important as well. So now you can see the material of the bag. It is not very soft as leather, and I do like that it is not as soft, because the soft leather could show the wear and tear very fast and it won't look like new for a longer time. So overall I loved that I invested in this beautiful bag. If you're looking to make one of your luxury purchases or like first luxury purchase, I think Micheal Ko's brand is one of the best brands to start with. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more such videos and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.